Next up, we've got another Explain with AI feature. This time we're looking at advisor recommendations. So the problematic use case here is users don't understand what Azure Advisor recommendations mean and what they need to do with them. So if we go to Turbo 360, here you'll see I'm in the optimization area. I'm in the Rightsizing, and we've got basic recommendations. So this is where we're sort of giving you visibility of the things Azure Advisor's telling you. And you can see these, like you would in the Azure portal, but the kind of key aims that a lot of customers miss these recommendations are there. And sometimes these recommendations are a little bit obscure and it doesn't really tell you what to do with them. So here we've got the Explain with AI icon. If I click that, it'll interpret this recommendation. So here we can see at the top, we've got a summary of our potential savings, a little bit of info about the carbon impact, the implementation steps for how to make this change. And then we've got a risk assessment, which will tell you some of the potential risks of making the change, rollback plan, and justification. And what you might do here is you might actually use this save to PDF button. So if you had a change process and you need to submit evidence and a plan with your change, you can effectively just download this as PDF, submit this with your change request, get approval, then implement the change. And really, even just this analysis for putting together your change request, we've probably saved you a couple of hours work here just on this one resource. So hopefully that really helps users out. For the full feature walkthrough, head to the Turbo 360 YouTube channel, link in the description.